Assalamu alaikum student. I hope all of you are fine. Come to the page number 64. Today our topic is mixed fraction. Let's see the example. 3 identical cakes were divided equally between Sam and Bina. How many cakes did each child receive? Can you guess what 3 divided by 2 is equals to? We have 3 cakes. How can we divide into 2 person? We give one cake to one person and second cake to another person, and one left cake, half give this one and half give this one. We're gonna write here 3 divided by 2 is equals to 3 as numerator and 2 as denominator. 3 by 2. We can also divide this way. How can we write 3 as dividend and 2 as divisor? 2 1 time is 2 equal to minus 3 minus 2 1. 1 is remainder and this one is quotient. And in mixed fraction we gonna write 1 as numerator, whole number, and 2 as denominator and 1 as numerator. Like 1 as whole, 1 as numerator and 2 as denominator. Three divided by 2 is equals to 1 over 2. Is 3 by 2 the same as 1 whole 1 by 2? This is the concept of mixed number. Come to the next page, page number 65. Question number 5. Divide, express each answer as mixed number in its simple form. We divide these number and express as mixed number. Explain. First part is 5 divided by 2. How can we write? Equal 5 over 2. Here we are going to say this fraction is improper fraction. How? Because this is further solved. That's why we are asking it numerator is greater than denominator, and we solve this method as we have to solve this fraction like 5 divided by 2. 2 times is equals to 4, and 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. 1 as numerator, this 2 as whole number, and this 2 as denominator. How can we write this fraction? 2 whole 1 by 2. This is the example of mixed fraction. Okay, the next step is 7 divided by 5. 7 equals 7 over 5. This is also improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. How can we explain this question? 7 5 divided by 5. 5 1 times is equal to 5. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Here is numerator, 5 is denominator, and 1 is whole number. How can we write? 1 whole 2 over 5. The next question, part C, is 10 by 4. This is further divided by 2. When we divide it by 2, this is equals to 5 over 2. How can we write? This is the same procedure like this. Okay. 2 whole, 1 numerator and 2 denominator. Understand? 9 divided by 6. This is further solved. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. When we divide both numbers with 3, the answer is 3 over 2. How can we solve it? 3/2. 2 one time is 2, 9. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Numerator whole denominator. 1 whole 1/2. This is the answer.